Welcome, today I'm here with your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. This is the charger brick, original Motorola charger brick. Also I have here the USB Type-C cable. And in this paper box we can find the SIM jack tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide and with a warranty card, and also the silicone protective case. So that's it, that all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.